it's Nidhi Pathak, founder of Mom Space. First of all, I would like to thank Vasundhara for giving me this opportunity to talk about my journey as a mother. And I'm mom to two kids. One is a daughter, 8-year-old, another is a son, 3-year-old. So my relation and with my kids is like very, very, very different, and it's like just like a companion and like a friend. So before being mother, so I was like very much into like late night work, doing some creative stuff, writing and all, not taking care of self. Then eating junk, noodles, drinking coke, all those junk thing I used to do. But once Erishka, my daughter, came in my life, I was like, no, I have to give her the best. I have to. So I somehow feel it's not me who gave her. Then while doing that for her, I also started developing more healthy habits, more healthy eating habits and lifestyle, like sleeping on time, taking proper sleep and everything. So, and also there are some times when my daughter comes up with a nice wise words, like mama, you need to take rest, and or something, some one liner she comes up with, and which is so interesting because they really speak volumes of wisdom, and we must listen to them. And they have amazing ideas for innovation and stuff. And one thing which I love about being mother and would cherish like entire life is I got to live my own childhood again. I got to enjoy my childhood again. So I had one of the best childhood, and so I could relive again. So no matter what, how much stress is going in the personal or in maybe professional life, but being with her that time, or spending time with her, or like now with him, like Arish. So it's like it's just the present. I can't think anything else, and I'll be, there'll be only one emotion. There'll be like love and happiness. So when it comes to any other hobby or any other passion, you'll have thousand other things in your mind going on, along with your passion, love. But when I'm spending time with my kids, it's more of like that. Being in present and enjoying the moment and being, reliving my childhood again. And what I thank about being mom, with God grace, is like out of necessity I started something, blogging, and personally, because I was a reporter and journalist earlier, like covering Bollywood or hardcore news and cricket. But then I had my blog going, that time about the current affairs. But the moment she came in my life, I made an entirely dedicated blog for her, like, about her and what my challenges and everything. So, and then that the readers were so much able to relate to me that from online community, it expanded to like like offline community, so like a support system, like an ecosystem. So I thank her for that, and out of which she helps me also in managing my second child, like not babysitting but informing me like, mama, he did this, he did that, he that. So like giving me heads up, he's about to open that, rush, and better grab it. So this is what I learned and enjoyed. And three things before I sign off, I would like to say, which I learned, or which is the key component of being myself, is first is like I mean, both of them allowed me to be what I am. They recognize me as an individual, and they know me more than I would know them, because before we get to know that they are in my womb, they are already there, and they know you as a child much more better than you know them as a mother. So they know you very well, more than what you know them. So I got to know myself through their eyes. Second is living in present. With them you can do nothing, but yes, you have to live in present. It's like nazar hati to durghatna ghati type. So you have to live in present. And third is patience. Patience. So this is what I learned, and I simply love about it and enjoying it there. I'm not saying it was very easy. There were time, like both of them were like C-section, and both of the time I had a tough time personally. So it was not that it was very easy, but it was they made it little better. they made my journey better. Yeah, I'm not saying it was super smooth and cool, no, not at all. I also dealt with heavy weight, I also dealt with the stretch marks and everything, but they made it a little easy. They didn't make it a little stressful. So I really enjoy that, and thank you so much, Vasundhara, for this opportunity. Hope it inspires many other women to come up and embrace the motherhood. I do get some queries, people saying like how tough is to become a mom, especially people who are newly married or people who are planning to get married. They come up with this question. I'm like, it's not how you would be. So it's not that how you would definitely be. Not the best, but the mom. So that itself is the synonym to the best. So just be there. That's it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And one thing which I would like to add here is like, never ever consider your kids to be your weaknesses. They are, and they will be your strength. You don't know what you have until your kid discovers from you. I mean, they'll make sure to bring best in you. So never ever consider or treat kids as a shortcoming or a weaknesses. Either you want to pursue your passion business, or either you want to pursue your career or a professional life, whatever, or any art form, whatever, but they will bring the best. So never ever underestimate that, and never feel low that, oh shit, I'm mom of two, or I'm mom, I cannot do this. There is nothing you can't do. If you're mom, there's everything on the earth you can do. That's my word. That's you can take it for the granted. Everything on the earth you can definitely do if you're a mom. So all the best to all new moms, and I would love to hear more stories, and more successful and journeys and experiences. Thank you.